Good morning, students. This is Murlidhar, a lecturer in chemistry. Welcome to our chemistry class. In hydroxy compounds, today I will explain one of the important lab tests, that is identification of alcohols. Identification of alcohols with Lucas reagent. With Lucas reagent. First of all, we want to know what is Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent means mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride is known as Lucas reagent. As you know, concentrated HCl, but anhydrous zinc chloride means we are taking zinc chloride salt without water. Anhydrous means, you remember, without water. That is called Lucas reagent. When class of alcohols on warming with Lucas reagent gave corresponding alkyl halides which are insoluble in Lucas reagent solution. That means ultimately gave turbidity. So for our clearance, we have three types of alcohols: primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, and tertiary alcohols. Among them, tertiary alcohols produce white turbidity with Lucas reagent immediately at room temperature. Secondary alcohols produce PPT or turbidity after 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature. Whereas primary alcohols cannot give any precipitation. That means no reaction occurs. So based on this, we can identify alcohols in the laboratory while doing the practicals. Here the thing is, tertiary alcohol immediately react with Lucas reagent, produce turbidity, because it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. During the process of substitution, here tertiary alcohols undergo complete ionization to generate stable tertiary carbonium ion as an intermediate. That's why tertiary alcohols immediately respond to the test of Lucas reagent. Secondary alcohols after some time. But primary alcohols, being this reaction, there is an unstable carbonium ion. That's why primary alcohols could not respond to the test of Lucas reagent. So from this, we should know this reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this, Cl minus acting as nucleophile. Ultimately, we are getting alkyl halides. The main difference between alcohols and alkyl halides are insoluble, but alcohols are soluble. During this mechanism, alcohols undergo cleavage. That cleavage is nothing but carbon bond OH cleavage. That means cleavage can take place in between carbon and oxygen. That we will see by writing reaction. We can understand that point. See students, please you copy down. Lab test. Identification of alcohols with Lucas rate. This is our topic. See, just now I said Lucas reagent means the mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous G2 chloride is called Lucas reagent. When alcohols are particularly class of alcohols, tertiary, secondary, primary, react with LR, Lucas agent, gave corresponding alkyl halides, which are insoluble, nothing but precipitate, which are insoluble materials. See here, tertiary alcohols produce turbidity, nothing but white PPT. Simply remember white precipitation, white PPT with Lucas reagent LR immediately due to formation of stable tertiary carbonium ion as intermediate. Here please students write down, this is nucleophilic substitution reaction in which Cl minus is nucleophile, Nu minus. Okay. Then secondary alcohols produce turbidity, nothing but PPT, after 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature. Come to primary alcohols. Do not produce PPT with LR, Lucas reagent. That means no reaction, simply negative reaction. No reaction in the sense negative reaction. So here, I think all you understood. The rate of tertiary alcohols more than that of secondary primary alcohols. Why? Because there is a formation of stable tertiary carbonamide. The other alcohols also trying to give carbonamides, but those are unstable. Particularly, primary alcohols cannot respond the test of glucose reagent because highly unstable primary carbonamide. This is the information about glucose reagent. I write chemical reactions. Tertiary alcohols tertiary alcohol. This is tertiary alcohol. Reactive constant is here. In presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Condition without what? Anhydrous zinc chloride. Here what happens? Cl minus is substituted in place of OH minus. There is ionization of OH minus. Nothing but which reaction? This is neutrophilic substitution reaction. Particularly this is SN1 mechanism. You have studied very clearly in former chapter alkyl halides. In alkyl halides, very important reactions SN1, SN. With respect of board exams, in view of entrance also, SN1, SN2 reactions are very important. See, here we are getting what? Tertiary chloride. This is called tertiary chloride. Tertiary alcohol. This is tertiary alkyl chloride. Alkyl, tertiary alkyl chloride. Simply tertiary chloride. But it is insoluble. That's why it is nothing but what PP. It produces immediately. Immediately. It gives immediately. Reaction occurs immediately. Next, secondary alcohols. The formula of secondary alcohols is CHOH. We have two alkyls, one hydrogen. This is secondary alcohol. This gave precipitate with LR. That means here there is a formation of tertiary chloride. But this reaction takes place 5 to 10 minutes. There is some time lag. Here also it is PPT, no doubt. But PPT will be resulted after 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature. This thing you have to remember. Regarding primary alcohols, nothing but CH2OH or methyl alcohol, all those are primary alcohols. With LR, they could not respond with LR, nothing but negative test, negative reaction. Negative reaction, no precipitation. In the sense, no PPT. No PPT. These are the reactions. Is you have to copy down your write down in your class notes, please. Here I told you. Here what happens in this reaction? Simply we understand this OH minus is replaced in place of this Cl minus is substituted. Here it becomes C plus, nothing but tertiary carbonium ion. So here what happens? There is a breakage of CO. There is a breakage of CO. That means carbon of the alkyl group and oxygen of the OH group. So here at this site, cleavage should be taken place. That's why this is nothing but CO cleavage, CO breakage and CO cleavage. Particularly in hydroxy compounds, there are two categories. One section of hydroxy compounds are alcohols, another one phenols. Phenols cannot give this type of lab test, cannot respond test of Lucas reagent, because the cleavage of CO is not easy in phenol when compared with alcohols. However, phenol undergo this type of cleavage with zinc metal, only zinc metal. But here no need to discuss about phenol, that is separate topic. Okay, regarding this class, I review some points to remember, because I might be thinking definitely this type of questions you, you will get the entrances like NEET, IIT, engineering exams. Definitely you crack bit from this region. See, the review points are: Lucas reagent means mixture of concentrated Cl and anhydrous zinc chloride. Anhydrous means I explained without water. Then second one, a reaction with Lucas reagent is one of the nucleophilic substitution reaction. That is second one. Here, chloride ion acting as nucleophile. That is third point. Fourth point, ultimately end products are alkyl halides. Those are insoluble in Lucas reagent solution. That's why we get precipitations. What we have seen now. Here, this type of reaction not possible by phenol. Not possible by phenol. Particularly, tertiary alcohol gave turbidity immediately due to the formation of stable tertiary carbonium ion. Under GOC, General Organic Chemistry topic, we have studied, I explained, different types of electronic effects: inductive effect, mesomeric effect, hyperconjugation, electromeric effect, inductomeric effect. All those 5 effects are very important. By that we can understand the reactivity of different organic molecules in several organic reactions. Particularly the stability of carbonium ion, which will be understand when we have idea about hyperconjugation. That means the more hyperconjugated carbonium ions are more stable than less hyperconjugated carbonium ions. Already I said we have studied fundamental of organic chemistry. So here the same thing is happening. Tertiary carbonium ion is stable due to plus I effect, strongly speaking due to hyperconjugation. Okay, all those points please keep in your mind. Stop here. Remaining part will continue in the next class. Thank you. One and all.